Hi everyone, my name is Evans. Today we are going to cover about indices and logarithms. Welcome to the class. So let's do an example to apply the laws of indices. Your turn to evaluate 27 raised to power 1 over 3. Your turn to evaluate 27 raised to power 1 over 3. What will be the solution? The solution will be, there are so many ways we can tackle this question. Let us tackle this question using this method. First of all, we can write 27 with prime factors, which we do 27 is the same as saying 3 raised to power 3, or 3 to power 3. So the same as saying now, 3 power 3, then raised to power 1 over 3. So when you apply the product of two powers here, you're going to have 3 raised to power 3 times a rad. If you cancel by 3, 1, by 3, 1, it will be 3 raised to power 1, which is the same as 3. So therefore, 27 raised to power 1 over 3 is 3. In simple language, we are finding the cube root of 27, which is 3. Then we have another example, 2. We have 16 raised to power 3 over 4. 16 raised to power 3 over 4. We are trying to evaluate, or simplify. As usual, you're going to write 16 to prime factors. So, 16 is the same as saying 4 squared, which is the same as saying 2 raised to power 4. 2 raised to power 4. That is to say, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 16, 16 times 2 is 16. So, to evaluate that one, you're going to have 2 raised to power 4, the same number now raised to power 3 over 4, which will be now, since these are product of two powers, it will be 2 raised to power 4 times 3 over 4. By 4, 1, by 4, 1, it will be 2 raised to power 3. And 2 raised to power 3 is the same as 8. 2 raised to power 3 is the same as 8. Let's do another example. We are going to simplify. Number 1, simplify 2 raised to power 3 times 2 raised to power 5 times 2 raised to power negative 4. A very simple question. So from the laws of indices, where we have a product of two powers, we see what happens to the powers. We add the powers. So since the base is the same, then the solution will be, so since the base are similar, we're going to have 2 to bracket 3 plus 5 plus negative 4. The solution to this question will be 2 raised to 3 plus 5 plus negative 4 from our first law of index, which will be now 2 raised to power 4. And 2 raised to power 4 is the same as 16. 2 raised to power 4 is the same as 16. A question here. We'll do another question. If we have a raised to power 4, b power 3 times a power 2, c power 4 times b power negative 2, c power 3, a power negative 3, b power 3, c power 3. So you're going to simplify. Simplify. Going to simplify that problem. So we can see we have at least 3 unknowns, that is A, B, and C. That is A, B, and C. So we are going to work out in the numerator part, numerator. We're going to bring the like terms together or combine the like terms together. So we have a raised to power 4, a raised to power 2, the other one has no a. So it's like now you're multiplying a raised to power 4 times a raised to power 2. And we're saying that the product of two indices, when the base is the same, we add the powers. So this one will be now a 4 plus 2. So we discovered a raised to power 4 and a raised to power 2. Then for b, we have b raised to power 3 here. Here we don't have b, we also have b raised to power negative 2. So you combine it to be b raised to power 3 plus minus 2 because of the product of two indices. So b raised to power 3 times b raised to power negative 2 will be the same as b raised to power 3 plus negative 2. Then we have c. We have c raised to power 4 times c raised to power 3, which will be c 4 plus 3. This will give us a raised to power 4 plus 2 is 6. We have b 3 plus negative 2 will be 1. Then we have c raised to power 4 plus 3 will be 7. So this is our numerator. That is our numerator. Then our denominator. So the numerator is a raised to power 6, b raised to power 1, c power 7, over denominator is a raised to power negative 3, b raised to power 3, c raised to power 3, c raised to power 3. According to our laws of indices, when you are dividing numbers in the same base, we subtract the powers. So when you have a raised to power 6, b c raised to power 7 over a raised to power negative 3, b power 3, c power 3, you are dividing the numerator versus the denominator, which will be the same as now. Since we are dividing, it will be now a, we're going to have now a over 6, a raised to power 6 over a raised to power negative 3 will be the same as a raised to 6. The difference of two powers will be now, you subtract the powers, 6 minus 3 here, which will be a raised to power 9. So we are through with this. To have a power 9. We have to have b over b power 3. Because we are subtracting, we are dividing, and we subtract the powers since it is the difference of two powers. So it will be now b 1 minus 3. It will be b to the power negative 2. Then you have c7 over c3. It will be c7 minus 3. It will be c raised to the power 4. Therefore, final answer will be a raised to the power 9, b raised to the power negative 2, c raised to the power 4. C raised to the power 4. And according to our laws of indices, this one can be also written as a raised to the power 9, c raised to the power 4 over b squared. Over b squared. That is the laws of indices that deals with the negative indices.